Hello, good day, good afternoon, good evening, friends. I'm here in UK. I'm still here in UK. I'm here in Cricklewood. I love to go around and see. I never get tired. Look at the beautiful houses. See the double bus. The people live together. Anywhere you go, it's multi-ethnic. There are all ethnic shops from all over the world. I see different people staying together. They don't quarrel. They don't fight. Whenever you ask anybody where you're going to, they answer you question kindly. The train station, the place is very good. It's very big. It's very big. There's one thing. I know no technology or that. So I find it very difficult. But no matter what, if you answer any one of them, they answer you. Ciao amici, buongiorno, buonasera, buon pomeriggio, dipende dove state guardandomi. Qui io sono in UK, Regno Unito. Qua io sono in Cricklewood, posto è bellissimo. Come vedete c'è negozi etnici varie. E qui la gente sono molto alla mano, molto bravi. Io sono imbranata con la tecnologia, però qui il sistema è tutto tecnologico. Però quando chiedi le domande le persone ti rispondono sempre. Loro sono alla mano, tutte etnie vivono insieme senza problema. E ogni persona che domanda loro ti rispondono. In inglese per sé sono anche bravi, in inglese sono bravi. Ogni persona che tu fai le domande ti rispondono. Come vedete sono molto felice. Ecco tipici autobus in inglese. As you can see me, I'm so happy to be here. You can see the typical English bus. English people are also good. See the signboard of Cricklewood. Potete vedere Cricklewood. I am so happy to be here. I will continue to go on my adventure. I will go as a tourism and in any other places to get you a video. I don't know technology. I find it very difficult. But here, everybody knows the technology. I continue to ask questions here and there, and the people always answer me. I am so happy to be here. And I wish to come again, and yet my journey continue. I am going to places. I am looking at the houses. I am so happy. I cannot stop looking at all these buildings that I've never seen before. I am seeing everything is new to me. I don't know many things. I am so curious. I am watching everywhere, all angle, seeing the different races living together in harmony without problem. It is very beautiful. Thank you for watching.